sun. Woo!
She is
beautiful.
Fired up for us today.
Fired up. It was snowing and crappy today, and then all of a sudden we showed up with the element. It's like, whoa, boys, that thing's hot.
It's a special day.
It's a special day. So we got the old DJI Mavic here. I need to pick myself one of these up.
We just call it Jai.
Jai?
It's a lot easier.
This is Jai?
The D is silent.
I tell everyone it's a DJI. Whenever I say that,
DJI. I always say that too. That's why just Jai.
They should just, change that little, your logo, DJI.
I'm starting to know. Jai, the D is silent, I'm pretty sure.
Anyways, Grayson, so gracefully decided to give us his element for...
You gotta go out with style.
Some element of surprise. He could have sold it to some kid in high school, but he said, you know what, screw that kid.
Fuck school.
I want to see it fly. Same with this DJI. It's crazy. Like, this thing's probably worth more than that thing.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell's yeah. Anyways, so we got some beautiful weather here. So we're going to take her for a little spin, do a few Rockfords, a couple burnouts. Maybe go ram the old Ford over there for being a piece of crap. But he traded in the Honda and got a Dodge.
Remember, kids, safety first.
You know, I'm not completely agreed to that decision, but you should have got a Ford.
Should I ruin your surprise right now?
Do you have a Ford tailgate?
It's a rental.
Oh, it's just a rental.
You can't win them all.
Oh, okay. The rentals worked. Well, if it's a rental, let's take it out in the field. Come on.
That's fair enough.
You know the saying. Treat it like a rental. So let's put this bird in the sky. See if I need a quick nail trim. Can you trim my nails real quick?
Yeah, I actually cut myself pretty good on these things. I was surprised how fast they rip.
You're not supposed to
just little guys.
Foreign objects in
Yeah, well, when they tell you the plate's too hot, what do?
You grab it. She carried it out, and she said the plate was too hot, so I'm a man. I think I'll grab it myself.
It doesn't hurt.
Yeah. What are you warming up here?
Yeah, I gotta get my
get your bearings.
Got my my app going here, my Jai app.
Okay. Well, in the meantime, I'll give you guys a quick walk around of the old Honda Element here. Maybe I'll kick a headlight out. But yeah, she's definitely been damped down to the track here. You know, every time it dries out, all of a sudden, freak snowstorm. So I'm hoping that this week or next week, this week's supposed to be crappy weather, but I'm hoping that it will dry out soon, because this thing's not going to last a week, I'll tell you that. She's going to get beat up. I like this color, though. It's a very metallic orange. So as you can see, she's still wet down here. There's still water flowing through the creek.
Orange.
What's that?
I said, ironically, it's called burnt orange.
This is burnt orange, yeah. So we should light it on fire?
Oh, it's getting lit up today.
Well, I don't know if we'll light it on fire today. I don't have my potato gun down here, but we can do a ton of other things. So let's see if we can get her stuck. Let's fire this thing up. See what we can do. This thing's got a hell of a buzz to her. It's wide open reverse. Crank it! Woo! Holy! Tail whip! She rips good. Two Rockfords in. We got a bit of mud. We got the drone following me around. It didn't blow a tire, huh? That's what I do like about the mud. When you do Rockfords, the tires don't rip off. When it starts drying out, that's when they start blowing out beads. Whew. How was that shot? I came ripping through here, that's for sure.
So happy I hit record this time.
Oh, you didn't hit record the first time?
Fuck, I'm bad for that.
You didn't jam your hand in there and cut it?
No, I learned my lesson.
Looks like you hit some grass.
Yeah, I cut some grass a little bit.
I like cutting grass.
Still works.
That's always good. Well, what else do you want to do? Hey, the world's your oyster.
Let's just let's get crazy.
Well, let's head down to that end.
All right.
And that's, I got some stuff we can do down there.
Let's do it.
Hey, hop in the element. The element of surprise. Oh man, this thing is too much fun. Whew. I don't want to have too much fun with it though. We're gonna rip around for a little more and then we'll lock her up for the day. Then later this week, I'm hoping to do a fire video with it and then jump it, because we seem to have the luck of where we get them down here and we start having fun with them and then the engines pop or something like that. So yeah, we're just gonna keep ripping her around and nailed that tractor tire. Whew. I was hoping it was going to jump over it, but I'm actually kind of glad it didn't jump over it, because I probably would have got stuck on top of it. So anyways, yeah, he's going to set up the drone, get a few more shots, and then we'll wrap her up for the day. You guys got any suggestions for videos we can do with the whip? The old element, burnt orange. I think I got a little mud on the drone. How's it feel seeing your baby getting ripped around like that?
Fucking in her prime. I don't know if I want to let her go.
You get a little mud on the drone?
Yeah, I just flicked it off. It's just a couple pieces.
No, not too bad.
That's a Jai. That's what it's made for.
That's what Jai stands for. All right.
I'm not sure what those beeps mean, but it's probably a good sign.
You know, I could come flying in sideways and nail that car.
You want to just smash into that car?
Well, I would tail whip it.
Okay.
So
Well,
like
the airbags
I would
have
hip
never been
thrust
off,
it. Well, you know, I've had the odd airbag hit me in the face, but you know, that's just the price you pay for a little bit of fun now and again. I call them fun bags, not the boobies. These are fun bags that, you know, if you're gonna have fun, sometimes they just smack you in the face. So yeah, I don't know. I'll try it. Give her a whirl.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll come from back here and
We're ready for
I'll
it.
just give her the whirl. You know, whirl time. Ooh, beauty day out though, that's for sure.
It's actually pretty good.
I nailed the side of the Ford. You missed it with the drone though.
Just missed it.
Just missed it.
Take two.
Take two.
Send it.
All right, give her a whirl. It's your car. I like the old remnants of duct tape on here. That's nice. Well, I smacked the Ford again. You got mud on the lens, but hopefully we got the shot.
Mud on the tires.
Mud on the tires and pop a tire. That's good. It just tore through the side of this thing though. Oh man. Shrapnel falling off everywhere. The old taillight. One more. Get rid of it.
That was brand new ones.
These are brand new?
Yeah, well, at one point.
Brand old.
It's wrapped around your neck for me.
So our pilot, he got super excited here. He was flying backwards, upside down, naked. He was filming me, of course, you know, sometimes.
He's watching.
Yeah, and he ended up in the shrubbery here. Where was it? Oh yeah, you can see.
They had to be thorns too.
Oh yeah. Where is it? I can't even see right now. This thing blends in so well.
Okay. I don't want to wreck your nice white fence.
Oh no. Can't do anything the deer already have. There it is back there. All right. Drone retrieval.
101.
Now I can title this drone crash burnout Honda Element burnt orange.
Make sure I don't lose my phone here.
Graceful Grayson.
Why'd they name me that?
I should just time lapse this. Can you see it from your angle? these aren't really,
I can see it.
these aren't really trees you want to mess with. They're not
I
the,
know.
they're not the fun trees. These are the
fucking
thorn
bullets.
trees.
You can tell it's an aspen because of the way it is.
Don't worry, I've hit many with the dirt bike before, so. Bring her down. Thank God for the maps on the
Sorry.
DJI app. Where is it?
Sorry.
There it is. Crashing drones.
Sorry.
Who are you saying sorry to? All your fans?
I'm close.
There you are.
That's how you land a drone though, right? Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Hey, don't follow the ugly tree and hit every stick on the way down.
No, I already been there. Can't mess this up.
Beauty evening though.
Of course, it has to be just out of reach.
It's always just out of reach, eh? Give her a shake. There you go. The nice thing is they always tangle themselves up, so they usually don't fall and smash.
Is it still recording?
I don't know. I took my phone off the remote. I imagine it's probably still recording, yeah?
Okay, well, we only lost every blade, so we're okay.
Oh, you blew a few blades?
Just all of them.
Best place to check is usually underneath.
You're not a drone pilot.
Did you rip them off, or did they,
No, they're smashed.
Oh, they smashed?
I got a couple more.
Well, hey, you could have broken an arm off or something.
Well, the main thing is that everybody's okay.
Everyone is okay. Sometimes you lose an
And we
arm.
had fun.
Hey, get out of that tree before you hurt yourself. We'll do a few more donuts. Quick burnout, and then we'll wrap this up because I am cold. I could have been driving a Lamborghini right now. But sometimes the Condiment. You were supposed to hear that. Track looks good. This is how the track should usually look before the weeds come in the spring and summer there. And they turn into this crap. But hopefully we can groom her up nice this year. All right, get down from there.
Just securing the drone.
Securing the perimeter. Let's do a drone check. Thank God they're just blades, they're cheap.
Yeah, I have fucking
Snot up your nose?
I got snot and thorns up my fucking nose and bark everywhere.
You gotta stop swearing for the kids on YouTube.
Sorry.
They don't like that.
I was raised in a barn. Okay. You gotta hook up, don't you?
I don't know.
Oh, you wanna look?
I just want to see the blades.
Okay.
I don't care about the footage. We can watch that later.
No, it's all about.
It's usually never interesting anyways. It's usually looks like this, and that looks like a tree. Oh yeah.
They all got a nice couple pieces.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Actually, no, that one's fucked too.
Yeah.
Or I mean,
they're all done.
done. Those are the ones we want.
Well, let's go rip a quick burnout and then head back up to the house.
Camera's good, gimbal's good.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Let's roll. Lock her up for the day. Well, at least we didn't lose the drone. The car didn't die on us, so that's always a win. We got the tail whip, booty shake, and smack the Ford. I nailed it hard the first time. I'm actually surprised I didn't pop the tire. But as you can see, there's a bit of damage. You know, you gotta put these things through hell and back because they're free, right?
That's the main point.
And then as soon as it dries out, we're going to be launching these things to space. I just checked out the jump. It is a bit mucky, but it shouldn't take too long. If the sun stays out this week, it shouldn't take too long to dry out. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank Grayson for the Honda Element and for smashing his drone into a tree. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. So anyways, if you guys have any suggestions for videos or anything, let me know. If you guys have any old vehicles you want to bring down, rip up the compound with, let me know. Just DM me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Mark Freeman 408. Anyways, we're going to wrap her up for today. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.